What's up, guys? So we're starting a new series, and the new series is going to be called Gaming and Toys. No, unboxing series. The unboxing series. So let's get started. So as you can see here, we have the Hot Wheels. My better's a mess. Don't judge. We have the Hot Wheels thing here, and let's just lift that up. Yep. It's like the parking thing. All you gotta do is just put the cars on top, so it's like collecting the Hot Wheels. Here are the cars. This is one of my favorite cars in Hot Wheels history ever. Just for me, it is one of the best. Here we have this. Not really my type, but nah, I like it. And this. Nah, this. Well, I know some people would die for this. Just kidding. Nobody would want to die for a Hot Wheel. That's just crazy. And last but not least, this. So I'm going to put a view that every one of you can see it good. And this is my video, my new series, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.